Aquí tenemos a los cuervos. Están amotinados los cuervos. Están en contra de Chávez los cuervos.
Y Obama.
Y Obama.
Y eso que son negros.
No, tenía la puerta cerrada y se escuchaba ese escándalo. ¿Qué es esto? Aquí tenemos a otro. ¿Qué sería eso?
Bueno, lo he visto, pero no.
¿Todos al mismo tiempo?
Sí.
Claro, ¿verdad? ¿Será que es un terremoto o no? Algo raro que va a pasar.
Y los animales que actúan así raros, de repente
Algo pasa ahí. Pero este no es nada comparado a ese ratito.
Sí, sí.
Están todos ahí, pero ellos lo ven a uno y se van. Que tienen miedo a uno. Ajá, se acabó.
Hello again, I'm Don Scott.
And I'm Jessica Cartalia.
And here's what people are talking about today, what could have been a tornado that struck overnight, damaging hundreds of homes and leaving thousands without electricity this noon. Check it out with a live look at all the damage in northeast Baltimore from Sky Eye Chopper 13 right now. You can see how bad it is from the chopper looking down. Several of those buildings have not one stick of a roof left. And
WJZ is live with extensive first warning weather coverage. Derek Valcourt is surveying all of the damage in Baltimore County. But first, we start with Andrea Fujii. She's live in northeast Baltimore with more on the damage there and how the mayor is helping out this noon. Good afternoon, Andrea.
Good afternoon, Jessica, and good afternoon, everyone. 3 people were taken to the hospital from northeast Baltimore this morning with non-life-threatening injuries, and surveying all the damage this morning, it's amazing there weren't more people hurt. Some northeast Baltimore residents describe the weather as a scene out of The Wizard of Oz.
All you feel was just the building just picking up. You hear wind banging against the windows. You can look outside and see people's vehicles moving across the parking lot.
At about 1:30 a.m., high winds ripped through the area, and as daybreak approached, the damage became more visible, like parts of homes thrown like spears. As the mayor and governor assess the damage, it's estimated dozens of these homes are uninhabitable, and many residents are packing up and going to a city shelter.
All of this would seem to indicate that we were visited last night, early this morning, by a tornado that touched down and cut through here.
It is an absolute miracle that we're not here talking about serious injury and death based on the passovers that I've seen.
Some residents complained there was no warning of the impending danger, but are just glad to be alive.
It felt like it was almost like the end of the world. That's what it felt like, because no one knew what was going on.
Now back live here, you can see police, city, and BGE crews here are on the scene cleaning up the area in order to get the power back on. Inspectors are also here making sure that the homes that weren't too badly damaged are safe enough for residents to go back into, because there are still some high gusts of wind coming through the area. Don, back to you.
Thank you very much, Andrea. First warning weather coverage continues now with Derek Valcourt. We'll look at some of the...
Bueno, aquí estamos en Baltimore, Maryland. Tengo aquí ya desde el 94, tengo aquí como unos 16 años y nunca he visto nada como esto. Anoche a la 1:30 de la mañana un tornado tocó aquí en este vecindario y como pueden darse cuenta, bueno, el desastre es horrendo. Destrozó prácticamente apartamentos, arrancó el techo completamente Sí, no solamente en este vecindario, pero hay otro vecindario que da más al norte también. Tocó por pedacitos, tocó aquí, se arrancó más abajo en ese vecindario, destrozó una cantidad de casas, árboles, pinos, completamente partidos por la mitad, como palillitos. Increíble. Bueno, ya van a ver las fotos que tomamos. En un caso conseguimos un carro que tenía un pedacito de madera así y atravesó el caucho, imagínate tú. Tenemos otra foto de un pedazo de madera que atravesó la pared y está clavado en la pared. ¿Tú te imaginas si hubiera alguien detrás de esa pared, lo hubiera matado? Pero ese es el caso pues con los tornados y nunca hemos visto esto aquí. Hay gente que vive aquí por 30 años y nunca jamás han visto un tornado aquí en Baltimore, en la mera ciudad pues. Entonces bueno, vamos a seguir caminando a ver qué más vemos.